Hello everyone, the sheet is now ready. I'm really sorry for the inconvenience. You are going to have to fill everything again, but only once because I've solved that part as well for future releases. So yeah, this video is going to replace the old ones. We're just going to go through how to input everything, and then there's going to be a part 2 in this video where you're going to learn how to import your old sheet as well, because there's obviously going to be new updates as new heroes are released. First of all, go up to File up here, and we're going to make a copy, like so. And there's a script file, yep, that comes with us. Good, good, good. Make a copy. Very nice. And now we have to wait for that to finish. Gonna take a few seconds, because probably quite a lot to load in there. And there we go. Very nice, very nice. So let's start by going through what does what, right? So you have on the C column here, you have the yeah, I'm referring to those as columns. That's the correct name. I wrote row up here because it's shorter, but row is actually the horizontal. Anyways, MLB, you can fill what you have MLB'd in here. And as you can see down here, there is a counter that's going to keep track of your progress as well. The first one here, of course, shows the actual and slash total. This is what you're missing. So right now I filled 6. That means there's 80 left. And that's just a percentage as well. Those are going to turn green when you have 100% if you do that. And that means you're a whale. Anyways, so that's that. And then let's just do this here. Then let's say you have blessed some heroes. I'm going to do a level 3 here. Maybe a 1 there, maybe a 2 there. We can do a 3 for these last ones here. Very nice. There's also another thing called exe, that's for exclude. So if there's a bunch of heroes you don't want to add, let's say Bari, for example, we will do like that. That's also, as you can see down there, it's going to deduct from the total. So you don't have to track those. For example, I can imagine some people want to remove the collab heroes, for example. If you do, it's going to take the total from everything, by the way, including weapons, worth noting. If you do have a weapon MLB, it is you're still going to have credit for having that weapon. I left it like that because there's a lot of more work to correct that. And also, if you have the weapon, you have the weapon. It's not like you don't have the weapon even if you exclude a hero. And it doesn't really make sense to exclude anything that you have. So I just left it there. So obviously, there's some personal responsibility in that. Anyways, here's the weapons. Are they MLB? What level are they? Let's say we have something like this here. You can see MLB gives a 5 there, very nice. And then there's a sub option if you have engraved weapon. Let's say that's a max, that one was unlucky, that's an 18 maybe, and that's a 9, whatever. You can see the levels here, and you can see the progress is being all tracked down here. So that's pretty nice. And of course, the second weapons are here. Now, there is one little thing to note. That's the version up here. Right, why is that not working? I'm just gonna go like that. Nope. Why is it not working? No. Why is it doing that? WM, that's the, yeah, okay. Let me just copy all that, and then we're gonna delete that. That might have to be fixed in a future release, but you can see here, now it works. I don't know why it does that. You might have to do what I did there. Just copy the whole thing here, delete what's inside, and then paste it again. I don't know. Anyways, what that, however, is gonna do, if we go to the main sheet here, and I would update the version. This version is going to be based on a game version. I don't know what next version is going to be. Let's say it's going to be like that. Who knows? Let's do it like that. You're going to see here, update available. And then you're going to go to this link here, and that's going to link to the main sheet. And then you just make a new copy like we just did. So there's that. That's the functionality of it. So let's go to the import part as well. So it's time to import our old stuff. So on my second screen that you cannot see, I have another sheet, which is my own sheet that I'm using. Let's say there's a new update, right? Whoever comes after Cornet, right? You have an imported one and there's a new hero here. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to go to your old sheet, just grab the whole link up here. I'm just going to grab the one from the second screen. Then you're going to paste that link in here. What that's going to do is if we go to this tab, you don't have to do this, but it's basically going to fill it with whatever is there. You can see the code here is like just taking whatever is in this range, or rather, well, this range on your old sheet, and it puts it here. Now, after you put the link there, you're just going to press the import button, like so. But there's going to be an pop-up, I think, if this works. Let's see what happens. The silence. There we go. Right, authorization. You're going to have to press that. Okay. Then you're going to press your email like that. Then there's going to be the scary screen here that looks scary, but it's not. Advanced down here, open that, and then go to hero blessing, blah, blah, blah. Do that, and then allow. And now it's allowed. Then you press it again, and bam! It's going to fill everything as you had it. Very nice. And there's also one thing to note. When we have filled this, you see Cornet, I don't have her. Let's say you have a Cornet, but there's a new hero down here. You're going to have to make a little adjustment. So make sure that you check whatever is like after the new hero and like correct that. Because it's obviously going to take what I had now and, put it down once. And then you're going to go to the bottom and do the bottom and do the same thing there. So yeah, that's that anyways. And yeah, that's how to do it. And after that, you could just delete this, I guess, and everything has been restored to what you had. I'm saving a lot of time there. So yeah, hope it's gonna be of use for people. And yeah, awesome. Bye.